Hi guys, welcome to yet another wonderful presentation on this channel. Today I'll be sharing this website. Believe it will be helpful to you guys for two reasons. One of the reasons is that this website enables you to get your study materials, presentation, and project documents printed out and delivered to you. And secondly, you could also market your products as a maybe as a nursing student who is also into other businesses. You can also market your business to fellow students and of course people of like minds. So guys, in case this is your first time here, I want you guys to help me subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the notification bell for further videos, like and share to your friends, and of course help me boost my channel. So that's that, by the way. So like I said before, I will introduce you to this website where you can upload your document, get them printed out for you, and of course, delivered to you. So the name of this website is actually studenthubwebgra.us. So it is a place where you can upload your documents and of course get them delivered to you. So to this presentation, introduction to Student Hub WebGra guide on printing your study materials. Let's take an overview on this website. Like I said before, the name of this website is webgra.us/1/1. So what you do, you copy this out or you type it out on your browser. So I'll just show you guys on how to do it. Let's use Opera Mini. Let's assume this is our website. So I believe we can all see. So you go to the name, the website. You on your name box, your title box, you can enter a search where it says enter search or web address. So here you can type in webgra.us/1/ then you click on enter if you are using a laptop or your phone, you search. So once you search, it opens like this. When it opens up, this is what you do. This is the interface. This is the home page. So you scroll down, welcome to Student Hub, your go-to platform for printing lecture materials. So once you scroll down, you you read about us. We provide convenient and affordable printing services for students. Why choose us? We are fast, we are reliable, and affordable printing solution tailored for students. So we have various testimonials of students who have used this platform and got their study materials printed. So basically, once you want to print a study material, it will save you the stress of trying to figure out where to go to get your materials printed. It will be delivered to you. So what you do on this, you fill in your full name. Let's use this as a test. Let's assume my name is Peace Igwe. Is just a test. Peace Igwe is the name. Then you go to class. A class, let's say second cohort midwifery, depending on the class, whatever your class is called. You could also put your address there, maybe wherever you want the work to be delivered. So whatever description, you can take, of course, as much text as possible. So you could keep typing whatever the description is, that is how we'll find you. Then next, you have your phone contact. You can put your phone numbers, of course, let's say 0816 0704299, just a text. So the next is to upload your document. So on this place where it says choose file, you just hit choose file to take you to your documents where you have your documents. Let's assume that I'm printing anatomy. This anatomy material. I want to print my anatomy material. There are two materials there on this text on this folder. The first one is integumentary system. The second one is the skin. So maybe I want to print this first one. So what I will do is to click on it and click on open. You see open here below it, or just tap the document if you are using your phone, and it will open up by uploading. So you see that it has been uploaded because the name Once this name show here, it means it has been uploaded. If the name doesn't show, it means your document was not uploaded. So ensure a name shows after choose file, and that's it. So the next text box, you can put in how many copies. Let's say 2. Maybe I'm printing for myself and my friend. So before you hit the submit button, you have to look at the following. Note the following. The first is that printing costs 40 naira per page, so it's quite affordable. And number 2, number of pages uploaded is subject to reduction without the change in initial price per page. So initial price per page remain 40 naira, and once you are uploading, let's say you are uploading a 100-page document, it could be reduced to 50, could be reduced to 80, depending on how much space could be removed, because sometimes you have bogus spaces that are not needed. So the document will be rearranged and well organized to aid students read faster, understand faster. So basically, that's how we profit. That's just the way it is. So it's subject to reduction without reducing the price per page. So these are the terms and conditions applied. Printing is on both sides of the printing paper, so it's both back and front printing. So lastly, you make payments to this bank account number, and you send your receipt to this phone number here. Of course, it's also on WhatsApp, so you send the receipt on WhatsApp with your details in which you have filled. We can actually bring the document to you and contact you if there is need for any other adjustment. We'll also let you know. So when you are done, you then click on submit. So once you hit on the submit, you will get this notification that tells you that your requests have been sent successfully. You can go back to home page. Maybe there are other documents you want to upload. Of course, you can upload these documents one after the other. It will enable us to really sort them out easily. So you can go back to home page and upload another one if you wish to, as the case may be. So basically, you could also select 1, 2 or more documents. Just try it and see what works out. So guys, basically this is all for this video. So please, printing of study materials and other documents has never been this easy. So whatever course you are, whatever class you are, wherever you are, you can get your documents printed and delivered to you. So please guys, once more, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and for subsequent videos, so that whenever further videos are uploaded, you could get them instantly. So thank you guys for your time. I hope to see you on our next video.